Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. This new startup is bringing the metaverse to 1 billion devices. Crypto exchange Ascent X hacked, $80 million allegedly stolen. Gemini backed Flexa adds Shiba Inu as a payment method. As per 12th December 2021, with around 4,000% surge, Elon's Marvin tops the meme coin list. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, as the year comes to the close, the NFT and metaverse themes continue to dominate the news. Beginning in relative obscurity at the start of the year, these marketplaces have piqued the interest of both tech critics and general audiences, garnering billions of dollars in investment and apparently spawning new sectors. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. HoloLoot, the world's first augmented reality NFT generator, marketplace, and metaverse, is attempting to deliver NFTs and the metaverse to the roughly 1 billion AR ready devices now in use. Their software has attracted the attention of some of the industry's top stars, and their public sale is already generating buzz. HoloLoot's AR app, as a platform developed with simplicity, scalability, and utility in mind, has the potential to grab a massive market that the blockchain solutions have yet to crack. HoloLoot's IDO is already turning heads in crypto circles as well as the larger consumer business, with HOL debuting at the time of increased media attention in the field. But there's a problem. Despite the focus, the general public still doesn't appreciate the value of these industries. Despite its potential, NFTs and the metaverse lack tangibility for the typical user, and the high barrier to entry makes it even impossible for most individuals to begin. Following successful private and seeds rounds with high-profile investors like Engine, Ferrum Network, Otis Capital, Legion Networks, and others, HoloLoot has gone public. The level of interest in HoloLoot, especially from industry leaders, is indicating to the wider market that is a project to watch. HoloLoot is expected to remain on the radars of those following the NFT and metaverse marketplaces, given the amount of attention its IDO has garnered so far. So another day, another hack, another cryptocurrency exchange, this time Ascent X, formerly known as BitMax, has been hacked. Let's have a look at what happened and what were the losses as per analysis. Ascent X, a cryptocurrency exchange that recently celebrated its third anniversary, reported today that a large number of tokens were fraudulently moved out of its hot wallet. While the company has yet to confirm the entire amount token, initial estimates suggest the money is worth around $80 million. On December 12, the corporation admits to identifying an unspecified quantity of Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon-based tokens being moved out of the hot wallet. It promised that an investigation had begun and that the cold wallets would be unaffected. Furthermore, Ascent X stated that all users who had cash drained will be fully compensated by the exchange. The trading site didn't say which tokens were fraudulently withdrawn or how much were they worth in USD. PeckShield, a blockchain security and data analytics resource, later detailed the estimates. The overall loss is around $78 million, including $60 million on Ethereum, $9.2 million on BSC, and $8.5 million on Polygon, according to the business. PeckShield also offered a list of the tokens that have been moved out. Since the beginning of December, there has been a second high-end hack against a centralized Bitcoin exchange. Last week, Crypto Potato revealed that Bitmart had also been hacked, with up to $200 million in various cryptocurrencies stolen. The trading platform had momentarily halted withdrawals before resuming them a few days later, and it had also offered to compensate consumers with its own cash. So moving forward, Flexa's SPED-N app users will be able to use the SHIB tokens to purchase at a variety of shops, including GameStop and Lowe's. It's interesting how Shiba is becoming useful, unlike someone whose life depends on some tweets. Wait, this is not a commentary channel, right? Let's not divert from the topic. Anyways, let's have a look at the present scenario. Flexa Network announced on Friday that it will support the SHIB token, Shiba Inu's native cryptocurrency. As a result, consumers will be able to pay using SHIB at a network of over 40,000 shops, according to the business. In 2019, Flexa teamed with Gemini, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States. Now, the firm has announced that it would support SHIB, the Shiba Inu ecosystem's native cryptocurrency. They also tweeted that, "Let's get a jump on the weekend. SHIB is arrived. Shiba token may now be used to make make quick and secure payments everywhere Flexa is accepted, which includes more than 40,000 locations across the United States. This implies that ship owners will be able to use their tokens to pay at stores like GameStop, Lowe's, and Petco. The news comes just a few days after Kraken announced that the cryptocurrency will be supported. SHIB is currently trading at $0.0000349, up 0.6% on the day, but still down more than 60% from its all-time high 2 months ago. So to wrap up today's morning part, the top crossing meme currency is Elon's Marvin, which has an intriguing website. I'd absolutely use this name for clickbait, just joking. Let's have a look at its recent surge and growth. The live Elon's Marvin price today is $0.209268 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,084,572 USD. We updated our Marvin to USD price in real time. Elon's Marvin is high by 3,980% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 3893 with a live market cap available. The circulating supply is not available and a max supply is 19,696,657 Marvin coins. Meet Marvin, a meme coin of Elon Musk's Havanese dog and little brother of Floki Inu. Elon's Marvin token was founded on October 11, 2021. Elon's Marvin is a brand new token powered by the Binance Smart Chain and inspired by Elon Musk's real-life Havanese dog, Marvin, that he often talks about on Twitter, including this tweet on October 10, 2021. I love ALW. Couldn't agree more. My dog Marvin is Havanese too, although I'm his emotional support human. But that will change. It is my turn to emerge as the leader in dog-themed cryptocurrency and become greater than Dogecoin, Shiba, and Floki combined. Just like my daddy, who is as much as Bill Gates and Warren Buffett combined. Hey, what's with the boasting, huh? Anyways, you can buy it on PancakeSwap. And its tokenomics are 2% of each sale will go into a wallet that will be used to disperse Marvin incentives to holders. The more you get the hang on to, the more you get. Liquidity will be increased by 4% on every transaction. You and the token are safe from whale manipulation. The 2% marketing charge on each transaction guarantees that money is available to pay for marketing, listing, and contributions, among other things. So we would now wind up with our assessment for today morning and meet y'all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.